Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, if I said this did not please me when I first read it, I'll be lying to you. All these Malachi 3:10, all these tithe and offering people are starting to get their comeuppance. So with that guys, I bring you this. United States denies Bishop Oyedepo visa. So that's this headline. So already you can see why I'm pleased. United States denies Bishop Oyedepo visa. So now let's now see what reasons the Americans are giving for denying the self-proclaimed bishop a visa. So let's get into it. The United States Embassy in Lagos has denied renowned preacher Bishop David Oyedepo of Living Faith Church Worldwide visa in what appears to be an escalation of President Trump's anti-immigrant stance. So this is aligned actually with more of an American policy than it being targeted against this Oyedepo guy, but still I'm pleased that he's caught up in it. It is also been reported that Chris Asemonye, wife of popular comedian Abovi Ugboma, also known as Bovi, was also denied visa on Thursday, even though the comedian's application was approved. The United States Embassy in Nigeria has been hard on Nigerians seeking visas. A report by a Nigerian news outlet stated that Nigerians with valid United States visas have been receiving emails from the embassy notifying them that their visas had been revoked without any explanation. Two senior bank executives affected confirmed this development. It was, however, unclear why Oyedepo's visa application was denied, as the embassy usually does not reveal such information to a third party. The newspaper said its source did not give any other reason except the standard default explanation that the bishop did not qualify for visa renewal in its assessment and urged him to try again. President Donald Trump last week confirmed his intention to extend the travel ban he imposed on at least 5 countries when he first took office, Nigeria being one of the countries where the nationals apply for visas massively for the United States is touted as being on the list. So they are alleging apparently that this is something to do with the Trump visa ban for Nigerians, but of course really somebody of Oyedepo's weight is not really the sort of person that you'd expect to be caught up in that, because somebody of Oyedepo's weight under normal circumstances by tradition would just send his emissaries to the embassy to go get the visa, because he doesn't even really need to present himself at the embassy, because really the visa control is really to check, one, that you have sufficient means to look after yourself when you are in their country, whichever country, which of course Oyedepo is able to demonstrate copiously, and also they want to know that you would not be an illegal migrant to that country and disappear within the system. And of course Oyedepo is far too big a name, is far too known a personality to go and disappear or live illegally in America. So there's absolutely no reason for them to deny this guy that visa on the surface, because one, he can demonstrate means that he has the means to look after himself, and he can demonstrate also that he's not a flight risk in America and is not going to turn into an illegal migrant in that country, and he has been to the country severally and this has never happened. So there's no reason to expect or to suspect that this would not happen. So what's now changed between the last time that this guy went to America and this now latest denial is really where the question is, and the answer is in Malachi 3:10. Conversations in the comment section, tithes and offerings is what we're talking about in this particular video. What says you? What reasons can you think of for this bishop to have been denied visa to the United States of America? I'm not gloating, but really I have no truck with a lot of these so-called preacher men And I'm not saying this guy especially because I don't know him particularly, but broadly, these people are just chancers and conmen. Broadly, the average Nigerian preacher man is just a chancer and a conman. So this is really where my sentiments towards this particular guy is coming from. So not him directly, but what he represents. What does he represent to you? Come have a chat with me about all this in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of the preacher man and the visa man in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.